Hey everybody out there on YouTube, welcome back to the Käfer van. I know it's been a while. I've been doing a lot of stuff in the background. Life's been busy. A lot of car related stuff you'll see in this video. As you can see, it's raised again. If you follow me on Instagram and my shorts, you probably saw me hint at this. It's the 1 year anniversary of me starting on this car this week. August 12th of last year is when I started. That's crazy to me. Like, when I started it, I told myself I'd give myself 1 year. Obviously, I knew I'd have to get some wiggle room, but wow, 1 year. And now I'm doing the electric drivetrain, so I'm giving myself another year. But as you can see, I'm a lot further along than starting from scratch. So I'm pretty sure I'll be done by end of summer next year. Sit back and check out all the stuff I've been working on, including the Käfer van. I really just need to start calling him Eddie. You guys will know it's Eddie. Working on Eddie. But I also worked on Huey. I built the thing. So I built some brackets, big old wooden lifts for Eddie V to lift the body off the pan, because I'm going to have to take that apart to put on the pan before I can put stuff in the body. I did not film it because it's woodworking and you guys just, whatever. 4x4s at the bottom, 2x4s crossing because I ran out of 4x4s. Built it all out of scrap wood I had piled up for this, so there they are. My good friend Steven from Appleshed Garage came over, shout out to him. Helped me lift it up on and do some brain work to make sure that the lifts work. And then I didn't film any of that either because it happened so fast, it was ridiculous, and next thing you know, it's on top of the thing. So, yeah, whatever. You guys want to see the car build anyway, not the woodworking part of it. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take this guy right here and start stripping it. That should give me all the measurements I need once I get the motor out of the leaf. Because the motor's going to have to sit here so that the axle line's right up with the same place this axle is. Because I'm not using that transmission. We're not doing an adapter plate. We're doing a 1-for-1. So the transmission in the leaf is going right here. And then I'm going to build adapters to use the leaf wheels and rims and hubs and all that stuff right there. Now, yes, I know right now that little thing's in the wrong direction, but it doesn't matter because that was just to hold things in place while I move the car around. So the cool part is now I can roll the pan forward, take apart all this and build it on the pan while the body is above it in the garage, my tiny garage. And I can work on them whenever I want. So I can roll the pan out here into the driveway. I can work on it and roll it back in the middle of the night. And there. And as you can see, my road is technically closed. Not because of the tornado, but because of the construction. So this is a lot of construction and my road is closed right now. And why that's important to you, the audience, is because that means I'm going to be doing a lot of work in my driveway, because guess what? The city don't care if I've got cars falling apart in my front for the next 30 days while they close the road down. So, and the construction crew doesn't care because they watch me. So they give me a way in and out, but I'm the only one allowed on the street. I still get my mail and pizza and stuff, but you know, it's kind of cool. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to yank the seats out of this, front seats, because we don't have a back seat in this guy over here. And I'm going to put them in this just to kind of see what it looks like on the pan, so I know where to make the mounts. And then because this has an extremely tiny dashboard, tiny dashboard, we're going to have to make some heavy modifications. I'm really wondering, with the distance here and the distance here, do I need to sit back a little bit? Like, does the seats need to be mounted back just a little bit to fit the new steering wheel the mechanisms, and the dash. The dash is super deep on a Leaf. Obvious reasons, you know, crumble zones, blah, blah, blah. But when you take it all apart, I don't think the electronics will do it. I think they'll be fine. I think they'll be fine. So if I can just mesh the two, take the back one, push it to the front, and so on and so forth, I think we can do it. Because, you know, it's compatible. Everything's compatible. This is compatible with this. That's easy. Yep. Here we go. There we have it, after it fell on the front and fell on the back, because these little dolly wheels are not meant for anything, apparently, that more than flat things on the ground. Guess I'll just use a bigger one next time. Ooh, that is bright. Okay, so this means I can work on this and the pan at the same time, because I can pull the pan out, work on it with the Leaf, keep the body in here. Whenever I need to pull it in for rain and stuff, now I can do that. Whew! So freaking muggy. It's currently 84 degrees in the garage. I did not have the AC on in the garage because, you know, I was doing this. So, this guy gives me ability to work on the welds. And then if you come over here, gotta clean all that off, of course. This gives me the ability to take that out, put it there, and, you know, call it a day. So, yay! Get in there! Do it! Come on! Get! Always keep your wiring diagram in your car with you. Honestly, I just don't know where else to put it, and it comes in handy. Okay. So, Huey's been developing a leak. 2 of all the push rods, 2 of they are leaking because the gaskets popped. Probably just bad gasket. Like, they're not, nothing's loose. I can't get them loose. Like, they don't move, but I'm pretty sure that the whole things are just, like, they're just bad gaskets, the little O-rings around the ends. And there's no real easy way to do those because there's engine tin over them, and so I might as well take them out, take out the engine, take the tube, repair, put a new gasket in. And while I'm under there, I'm probably going to end up having I'll retorque everything because I haven't done that in a while. Check over the engine. So it's time to disconnect everything and then forget the one thing I should have remembered. And I'll find that when I lower the engine. So, yeah. Here we go. That would have annoyed the heck out of me. Oh, look. No oil whatsoever. Oh, wait. That's right. It's on an angle. Ha! That would annoy me. Because the last time I did this, I forgot that. Oh, my God, Jason. I completely forgot about the 2 mounting bolts. Wah, wah, wah. There's my problem. It's not going to budge until you get the bolts off, Jason. What the heck size are they, Jason? They're not 14s. Oh, they're 13s. Okay. Dum-de-dum-dum, stupid. Oh, the entire engine just shifted down. So look at that. Go figure. Here's my problem. It's like that one bolt on the casing that's hidden on the front next to the oil pump. You always forget it whenever you're taking apart the case, and then once you've done it once, you don't forget it. Well, I've taken this engine out before, and I forgot it. Duh. Ta-da! I probably should look into a new one of those someday. But for now, my whole case is going to move now. Betcha, betcha. Oh, would you look at that? Well, there you have it. Really quick video on lifting Eddie up to this height. And I pulled the motor and put the motor back in Huey. Just a quick little update of what's going on around here. I've got 2 more videos that I'm editing now as we speak. Did a big trip out to Way Out Salvage with David from VW Junkie, Alex from Graph's Garage, and Steven and his son from Appleshed Garage. So look for that next up. And then I'm tearing apart the Nissan Leaf. So look for that video soon. Got a lot of videos lined up now that I'm getting back to things after the, tornado. But yeah, so this guy is moving along with the electric motor. As soon as I get the Nissan Leaf torn apart, I'm going to have a big video of taking the electric motor out in the drivetrain. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and get out in the garage and do something, because it's all compatible.